Привет guys, bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. J'espère que vous allez bien. Je suis en compagnie de
Véron,
Sandra.
Et voilà, elle a une chaîne YouTube, donc il faut aller vous abonner et tout.
Abonnez-vous.
likez, partagez.
Likez, partagez. Aussi.
Commentez.
God. How do you say subscribe to her channel?
Abonnez-vous à sa chaîne.
Voilà.
Oui, abonnez-vous à
C'est
sa
très
chaîne.
important. Donc aujourd'hui, on parlera des relations et tout. Et j'ai invité Véro pour nous poser des questions. Donc voilà, let's go pour la vidéo. À Véro pour nous poser des questions.
Ok. La première question c'est est-ce que tu peux sortir avec un homme qui n'est pas chrétien? Can you date someone a girl who's not a Christian?
Okay.
Let me speak. Wow.
We are hearing you.
Okay, please, this is my opinion, you know. Yeah. And everything we are going to say here is our different opinions. So don't take it too much to your heart. Like, calm down. So for me, with my experience with God, right, I think if I'm really going to be serious with someone and consider a relationship, like not a relationship, consider like marriage, a relationship that I'm actually considering marriage, right? I feel like you should at least like God somehow. Yeah, you have to like God somehow, because I feel like there are just two things. It's either you're with God or not, you know. And even though we can say, yeah, some people are just good, but like they are not Christian, they don't love God. I don't know how to explain those people. I don't know what they believe in. Because every human being, I feel like we are more spiritual than God. I'm going to talk a lot, I'm sorry. We are more spiritual than physical, right? So every human being, there should be some spirituality attached to you. So if you say that you are not worshiping God, okay, what do you worship? You understand? If you don't love God, then what do you love? Like, let me know. And marriage is something that's like we become one. So I don't see myself being with someone that doesn't share the same foundational beliefs with me. Otherwise, it's either you pull me to where you are or I'll pull you to where I am. And the chances of me being pulled to where you are is very high, you see. So you have to love God. No, yeah, you have to love God. And I'm not even talking about being a pastor, being some leader or great minister like Dinaman. No, that's not what I'm saying. Just like God, you know. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have a perfect Christ-like life. Just love God. And that's all. So much.
So basically, if the person doesn't have a relationship with God, you are not like you don't need someone who would go to church or who prays once in a while. You need someone who has a relationship with God and who loves God. So if the person just go to church and you know when he or
Going to church doesn't speak so much. You see, going to church will not. It doesn't speak a lot. It doesn't say a lot about you. I need to know, like, you yourself. How do you relate to God? You know, how do you relate to God? What do you think about God? What are your thoughts about God? That is what will speak to me a lot. You can be going to church, but then God is like some alien to you. See.
So basically, you're actually giving the difference between being a religious and being a Christian. So you want a Christian, you don't want a religious. You don't want someone who just
Okay, I don't know which name. I feel like now, like the names that we are giving to all this stuff, people have their own ideas about it. So let me not even say Christian before someone will come and tell me, oh, I want someone who goes to church. No, I just love God. It's okay for me. Just love God and like desire to obey Him. I'm okay.
J'ai une question, hein. C'est vraiment du français. J'ai une question. C'est exemple, tu rencontres une personne. au début, il n'est pas du tout chrétien. Hein? Mais tu as dit oui parce que tu ne connais pas vraiment sa religion plutôt au début. Maintenant, est-ce que tu vas le laisser parce qu'il n'est pas du tout chrétien ou tu vas lui emmener dans la vie de prière?
Okay, if I understand well. Okay, explain.
She's asking we entered the relationship with sympathy and Jesus did not know that he was not a Christian. In the middle of the relationship, he like, oh, he does not really believe in God or he doesn't have a relationship with God. What are you going to do? Are you going to end the relationship? Like, you know what, me, I want some word of God, I'm not with you, bye bye. Or you are going to drag him like, okay, please come to church, start praying. You are going to try your best for him to believe in God. What are you going to do?
Well, I don't think it's my duty to convert the person, right? I don't see it as my duty to start converting the person. But well, I can pray for the person. And for me, already when I'm seeing, I feel like there are some non-negotiables. I hope your people will understand what I'm saying. There are some non-negotiables, foundational beliefs that we shouldn't have different beliefs. Those foundational beliefs. So if at a point in the relationship, if I realize that in those non-negotiables we are different, already in my head I know that I stopped thinking about marriage with you.
Oh,
do you understand?
Yes.
Because marriage is a serious thing, guys. Like, marriage is serious. I'm going to spend my whole life with you. I can be with you. It's not all relationships that need to end in marriage also. So some people are really good. Some people are good people. Nice, gentlemen, everything on point. We can have a relationship. Huh? It's okay.
Just vibe.
Yes, but then
when it ends.
Yeah, not marriage. Marriage is complicated.
But I'm also in the perspective that imagine you are a Christian and you marry someone who's not Christian. Okay, your child is sick and she's seriously sick, and you're like, you want to go to church. He wants to go to a wizard, in our country. You go to the village and he's going to do some traditional thinking to help the children. But you are calling the pastor, the intercession with that. So this is the thing.
It's different,
You see, he believes in tradition, you believe in God. So how are you going to divide the child? So at the end of the day, the child can die.
Yeah, and there will be misunderstanding, a lot of misunderstanding.
On Sunday, you want the child to go to church. No, he wants to go to a park or I don't know whatsoever. So at the end of the day, you're always fighting. I want to go to church. No, I don't want to go to church. I want to do this to my child. I want to, but...
C'est pour cela que c'est mieux que nous deux, on a une même vision de voir les choses. C'est-à-dire que si c'est Dieu, genre on les dit, genre si c'est, voilà. Donc, mais le plus important, c'est que que Dieu soit en fait au centre en fait. Genre qu'on puisse être des bons chrétiens. Voilà, c'est ça le plus important. Genre, pour moi, je peux pas être avec une personne qui n'aime pas Dieu. Genre, juste, voilà, je dois le bad boy, non. Parce que les bad boys, après c'est infidélité, et me frapper, manque de respect. Mais lorsque tu crains Dieu, if you love God, genre tu as la crainte en fait de faire certaines choses parce que pour amour envers Dieu en fait. Donc pour moi,
here's the thing. Yes. I feel like we'll talk about this topic for the whole video. So here's the thing. I understand what she's saying, right? And I think even people who love God
do those things.
You can find someone who loves God who will beat a woman.
You will have a story like that. There's some pastor that beats their wife. They have anger issues.
The fact that you're a Christian, it doesn't cancel out your flesh. You see, it will not cancel out any abuse or trauma that you have had. If maybe someone is abusive because all their life they have seen maybe their parents being abusive to each other, that thing is not erased when you become a Christian. So you still have that trauma in you. You have to address it, you see. So you can even be a pastor. If you don't address that part of you, it will still be a problem. But for me, the only thing is just because, guys, like, okay, I've seen God in a certain way that I just feel like, no, it's just not, it's a no-no to have someone with different foundational beliefs. Also, it's because of who I see myself becoming in the future, right? Maybe for someone it's nothing, but for me, I feel like with the place that I want to be, I cannot be with a person like that. You see, to drag me down. Maybe someone who feel like their faith is nothing, but then maybe they can be with someone like that and they don't mind. But for me, I feel like my faith is really like important in my future, my purpose and all that. So nobody should ruin the purpose. Let's move on. We've talked about this.
Franchement.
We're going about the next question. Quels sont les besoins d'un homme dans une relation, précisément le mariage, et quels sont les besoins d'une femme dans le mariage? So what are the needs of a man in a living or relationship and the needs of a woman in a relationship?
Ok,
En fait, moi d'abord, le premier besoin, c'est le respect.
Pour l'homme ou pour la femme?
Pour la femme. Pour moi, pour les deux. Parce que le respect, c'est la première des choses en fait. Après cela, il y a l'amour. Et parce que lorsque tu associes le respect et l'amour, genre, il n'y a pas question d'infidélité en fait. Parce que tu sais que l'homme te respecte, il t'aime. Oui, ça dépend. Hein. Il y a d'autres femmes qui sont matérialistes, qui vont aller chercher plus au-delà de leurs besoins. Mais pour moi, c'est le respect, l'amour, la fidélité. Parce que tu peux aussi aimer la personne, mais tu es pour toi infidèle en fait de nature. Donc pour moi, ce sont les trois trucs, les trois choses là en fait.
Chez l'homme et chez la femme.
Ouais.
Il n'y a pas un truc de différence.
Pour moi, il y a une différence, c'est que, comme on dit de la Bible toujours, voilà, que l'homme doit plus aimer la femme. Donc pour moi, et la femme d'être soumise. Voilà, donc la femme d'être soumise, l'homme doit, en fait, c'est l'homme qui doit plus montrer l'amour envers la femme. Ouais. Mais les deux doivent aussi s'aimer, mais c'est plus l'homme qui doit être plus attentionné. C'est-à-dire dire à sa femme, exemple, ah, tu es belle, tu es belle. Demain, ah, tu es bien habillée. Parce que si c'est exemple, une autre personne, si c'est notre femme, tu es belle, et que le mari qu'elle a dit ne fait pas ça, la femme sera plus à l'écoute chez le garçon qui est ailleurs. Donc pour moi, c'est l'attention aussi, c'est le respect. Et la femme doit être soumise en fait. Donc l'homme a besoin d'une femme soumise, une femme qui le respecte, qui dit là il faut faire ceci, et non bouder, désobéir et tout. Et une femme sage, parce qu'une femme sage bâtit sa maison en fait. C'est bien prendre soin de ses enfants, c'est garder le secret d'un couple en fait. Donc pour l'homme, pour résumer un peu, voilà, pour l'homme, pour faire court pour l'homme a besoin du respect, qui va de pair avec la soumission et tout. L'homme a besoin d'une femme sage, qui va savoir prendre soin de la maison, qui va savoir, une femme qui a la tête sur les épaules en fait. L'homme a besoin d'une femme de prière aussi. Voilà, une femme qui est une femme qui se lève pour prier, qui intercède en fait. Un homme aussi a besoin d'une femme qui donne de l'amour, une femme qui aime aussi. Et la femme a besoin d'un homme aussi qui va l'aimer, voilà, qui va lui mettre au-dessus de tout le monde pour la respecter et tout. Un homme qui sera là pour elle, voilà, l'attention et tout. C'est un peu ça pour résumer, c'est un peu court. J'espère que j'ai bien résumé. Hein. J'ai un peu trop parlé, mais bon. For you,
okay, I'm thinking. Needs. Okay, I'm a woman, so let me talk about women first. So I feel like the needs of a woman. What do we need? Okay, let me look at myself. What do I need? I think I need love. I need affection. Yes. I need affection. I need affection.
On peut réfléchir d'abord.
No, but yeah, I feel like I do need that. Like as a woman, I need affection from my man. Yes. And
Money?
I need.
Yes.
Why? No.
It's very important. Money.
Money is a non-negotiable.
Yes, it's important. Money.
Money we don't say because they know it themselves. You see, it's something they know.
No, just
You want me to tell you I need money? No.
non, juste par exemple, moi, genre, to buy, genre, something, genre, tu comprends en fait. One day, genre, il vient comme ça, là, chocolat, fleurs.
Okay, you see, we're talking about need or want.
Ah!
Chocolat et fleurs, ça, je sais pas.
Mais c'est tout un but. Ok, ok.
But like the need, I feel like yes, affection. Yes, affection. I need to feel that you love me, right? And so, just try hard to speak my love language.
You also have to speak your love language.
Yeah.
Don't ask me to guess your love language.
Oh yeah, yes. And for me, like this, I don't know if it's for all women. For me, I need someone who likes to communicate. I feel like communication is like it's so important.
Yes.
If there is something, try to talk it out with me. Like let's try to see what we can do about it. Than you make your own assumptions and you start behaving in a certain way now. Yeah, so this is, I don't know if that's all. If I say I'm thinking, I'll think about a lot of things. But let me move to guys. If I remember anything, I'll come back. So guys, I feel like guys need respect.
Yeah, it's number one.
Yes. Guys need respect. And in case of marriage, I feel like people always say, in case of marriage, people say guys want sex, guys need sex.
Yeah.
But again, I feel like women too want, eh?
Ça dépend de personne en fait.
For men, like, pour les hommes, ils ont besoin de ça. Pour les femmes, c'est plus, elles veulent ça. C'est pas un besoin aussi
Ok.
pour
Et les hommes
pour
vont
les
vraiment,
hommes.
ouais.
Ok,
Les hommes,
I
eux,
get
ils
it.
doivent
I
avoir
get
un
it.
truc 3
Right.
fois par semaine.
Yes,
Mais ce sont les statistiques. Minimum 3 fois par semaine. Ok.
selon Docteur Véro, hein.
Okay. Anyway, so yeah, in case of marriage, I feel like men also want sex. You know, they need sex. They need a supportive woman and a peaceful woman. Peaceful woman.
La femme
Yes.
querelleuse.
Yes.
A woman that is not always nagging. Yeah,
C'est vrai que des
exactly.
problèmes, every time problème.
And somehow, a woman that also knows how to communicate, I feel like is beneficial to a man. Like, I know we are emotional.
It's weird because women be like, I want communication, but we don't want to
We
communicate.
don't want to communicate, and that frustrates men. You see, maybe I'm here and I'm like, me, I like it when. I like it when you do
When you
this for me.
open the door
Yes.
for me and
Ah,
you do this.
Open door. I don't need to tell you, huh? But okay. For example, something like that, and then maybe I get so angry about it, like, why is he not doing this? Why is he not doing that? And I don't even tell him. But he is there. He doesn't even know that I'm angry. You see. So we also have to learn how to communicate better.
Sometimes they know, like, auntie, what do you have? Nothing. But your face, you have.
Honestly, I don't know why we behave like
Tu es
this.
frustrée, t'as quoi?
I do that too.
Tu as
Like,
quoi? J'ai
Genre,
rien.
tu gardes
J'ai
plus,
rien. Ça se voit, t'es fâchée.
I think
maintenant.
sometimes girls just want me when I say, oh, if you ask me what's wrong and I say no, I don't want you to go.
You want to insist, demand.
I want you to keep asking like, oh,
Yeah.
what is it? What is it? What is it? Then maybe after chuchuta, I'll tell you like, oh, blah 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 blah. But if I tell you, no, nothing, and you two you go.
No. This is fire.
I really don't know why we do this. I don't understand myself too. I
It's
don't.
really like most of the women, that's how.
But it's
we
not
act.
easy, huh? It's not easy
It's
to
not
just say
facile.
things like
Oh, I
that.
have this issue, like blah blah blah.
Sometimes also we want you to read us. You see.
Like you guys, like
Like-
you know us, like oh,
Because
she's
also
began-
I think it's because we pay attention to guys. Like when we are really like when we really like someone, we pay attention to them. if maybe you are with your boyfriend, you try to, when he talks, you try to pay attention and you pick up the things that he wants.
That he likes, he
yes.
doesn't like.
But then, I don't know, sometimes it's like, they don't know, or I don't know what's happening.
They're busy in their mind.
So for us to feel like, try to figure it out. But you people are just clueless sometimes. Clueless. You don't know.
They are being hard. Come down. Why you put your heart into this?
Sometimes you are so clueless. Try to study a woman. You see? Yeah, you get them what they want.
Mommy.
You're talking about money, just say it directly. Like,
oh, but money, guys, like, okay, I'm serious. Money is necessary for a woman. You say that you guys like sex or something, like respect or that. Money is something that makes a woman happy. You see, and it took me a while to realize this. Like, when money comes into the account, guys, you are happy. Like, when money is not part of the thing, I don't know, it becomes a problem.
Et aussi, genre, un homme peut avoir tout ce qui respect, amour et tout. Mais lorsque, exemple, la femme voit ailleurs que le voisin achète une fleur à sa femme, genre au moins, genre, c'est pas question qu'elle veut, genre, c'est un petit besoin, quoi. Genre un peu de l'attention, genre en mode venir avec les cadeaux, genre lui faire plaisir, genre le 8 mars, un petit pan, une petite fleur rose et tout. Ça fait quand même du bien en fait. Et aussi entretenir aussi la femme. L'entretien de la femme aussi, voilà. Un petit exemple, un petit billet, voilà. En fait, acheter un petit jean, ça fait quand même du bien en fait.
Yeah, and I think women should do this more. Like, but I feel like women do it too. Oh,
some.
Like you shouldn't just be there wanting to spend some money.
Like how many women are like, okay, I'm going to give you money, take money, go and buy.
Not like take money.
Yeah, but even buying stuff. Few women actually buy stuff to their boyfriend. They are like, no.
Moi, je peux.
Few women actually are like that. Like, okay, I'm going to buy you something. I'm going to buy you a jean. You saw like, oh, I saw this watch, and it was like, oh, this is nice, and you go and buy the watch.
I feel like love, like if you say you love someone, you want to share with the person.
Il y a certaines femmes qui disent, non, c'est l'homme qui donne à la femme.
Oh.
La femme ne va pas donner, c'est pas obligé. Genre, on ne s'attend même pas à ce qu'une femme.
Okay, me too, I have problems with girls like that. Change your life.
En fait, c'est la mentalité en fait que les gens ont. En fait, c'est pas bien en fait. Genre, ça peut aussi arriver que toi, la femme, tu puisses offrir un cadeau à l'homme.
Because imagine if you're in the position of the guy. It's like, okay, me, I'm there. It's like, I don't give.
Yeah.
You are just like,
receiving.
No, guys, yes. No,
It
doesn't work like that. You give, you also give, you know.
Like,
reciprocal.
Reciprocal thing.
Yeah.
Je donne, je reçois, je donne, je reçois, je donne. Tout ça.
And men also need good food.
Yes.
Men need good
Préparer
food.
en fait.
Yeah.
Ça c'est préparé en fait.
Good food. Take care of their place. Because some people, without women, they have no life.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Et aussi une femme aussi, genre, bon, ça vient un peu avec la société, genre, moins de problèmes, tu vas chez la famille, dire, oh non, mon copain m'a frappé, c'est genre...
Qui bavarde beaucoup.
Ouais, une femme, genre, qui bavarde beaucoup, en fait.
Bah, frappé, we have to say.
Non, frappé, yes, tu peux dire, genre, non, genre, moins de problèmes, genre, là, c'est genre, tu genre, you're going... Non, frappé, it's not, yes. Non, mais genre, moins de problèmes, it's no...
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Une femme sage.
That's why I like a guy. What are we even saying? Is it what we like, or I don't even this about what we need? It's not what we. This is not what I need, but it's something I like. It just adds that thing to it. A guy that commands respect when they go out, like a guy that when people see him, they're like, yeah, this is a man. Yeah. Yeah, but it's not a need. It's not a need.
It's your own desire, your own thing. You just like those kind. As people will say, I like tall men.
I like, yes. Genre tablette de chocolat.
I'm not into those things.
Et aussi, je pense que c'est une chose que Bon, pour les femmes aussi, ils ont besoin, comme aussi les hommes, d'un partenaire qui est propre. Parce que vous comprenez, genre, cleaning, yes. Parce qu'une femme aussi sale, c'est compliqué d'avaler. En fait, c'est compliqué d'avaler ça. La propriété est très importante aussi. Le respect, la sagesse, ça va bien préparer pour une femme, mais aussi la propriété aussi en fait. Genre avoir les ongles plus propres, les ongles propres, se brosser les dents, tout ça là et tout. Les aisselles, le citron.
Ok.
Alors, c'est un peu ça. T'as encore un truc à ajouter toi, Véro? Pour toi, qu'est-ce que...
I think for me, I would just say what you guys say. For a man is respect in sex, and a woman is
Marriage,
marriage. Yeah, I was talking about marriage.
You don't want problem.
I said you should go and have sex with men. No,
You don't want problem.
I'm talking about the wedding. So basically, sex, respect, and a peaceful woman. A peaceful woman. For women, it's communication, protection. She has to feel like she's secure. She has to feel that she's secure. She has a man who is there for her. Yeah. Even if she goes down, she will know that she has a man who is there to raise her up, and she needs and she needs affection. Just, oh, you're beautiful. When she woke up in the morning and she was looking ugly, but you're like, you're beautiful.
Don't lie. Don't lie.
Yeah, and I think you posted that thing. What do you need from a man when you have your period? When you have your period,
I need to make a video on it.
Yeah, just be like, don't do anything. I heard a man saying that, like, when his girlfriend is on period, she doesn't do anything. Like, from 5 days, if she has a 5-day period, she doesn't cook, she doesn't do anything. She's just in bed and he's taking care of everything. He's taking care of her. It's also affection.
It's not easy to be a woman.
Imagine you're bleeding every day, every
And it's
single
not just bleeding,
and
with
it's pain.
and
It's
with
really
emotional
instability.
People don't know.
Anyway, it's okay.
This has become personal now. It has become personal. Lord.
But yeah, basically, women communication, security, and affection, and for men, sex in marriage.
Une mariée. Dans le mariage, voilà. Yes.
Respect and peace. Yeah, peace.
Financial security.
Yes.
Financial
also
security.
security.
Yeah. I need to feel like I'm covered with your money.
Working with your Chanel.
Chanel. No, me Chanel, guys. I will take the money and use it for another thing.
Louis Vuitton.
No, me, I'm not about brands. I will take the money just.
You know what? You have to buy things.
Do something, invest in my business, do something. Chanel, I can buy another bag from Carrie.
But you know, there's some women like that too.
Oh, yeah, that
woman. I don't wear. I want only Gucci, Louis Vuitton.
No,
it's not that.
Yeah, I feel like it depends on me. If my lifestyle is already like that, it's different. It's not now that as where I am now. I buy a bag from Carrie. Then I'll meet a man now and I'll give him stress like buy me Chanel.
There's a woman like that.
It's crazy.
You see what they're coming and what they're asking, you're scared.
Oh please. You buy a bag from the open market and then you're coming to say
It's okay.
Louis Vuitton.
Dior. Chanel.
Buy for yourself first.
Ok, là nous sommes maintenant à la fin de la partie 1. La semaine prochaine, voilà, je vais poster la partie 2. Donc, n'hésitez pas à nous commenter, liker, abonner. C'est le plus important.
C'est la chaîne de Sandra. C'est quoi ta chaîne?
Non, c'est Sandra.
Okay, if you type Sandra the Motivator, my channel will show up. Yes. Anyway, there's something I want to, but it's a French people, I don't know. There's something I want to start doing. I want to start talking about dating on my channel.
Oh, date.
Like the relationship. So I don't know. If anyone is interested, you can try to stay tuned for it.
En fait, elle dit elle veut commencer à parler des relations dans sa prochaine chaîne YouTube. Donc, si vous êtes intéressé, vous vous abonnez à sa page et très prochainement, vous allez recevoir des vidéos sur les relations.
C'est obligatoire.
But in English.
C'est obligatoire, c'est vrai.
And she will try to speak French.
Voilà.
French subtitles. She will try.
Non, bisous, mes amours. Bisous.